The YGS-43C marks yet another milestone for EDM Drillmate, our continued commitment to producing quality, compact, and feature-packed EDM drills has yielded our smallest footprint CNC machine to date. This is achieved in part by moving the tank and filtration system inside the cabinet on an easily accessed pull-out drawer. The YGS-43C also boasts a 17-inch touchscreen to navigate its Windows 10 operating system. Thanks to its unique design, the automatic electrode changer offers not only fast tool changes, but also the ability to hold up to 20 electrodes, giving you the advantage of running unattended for longer. Gantry construction ensures accurate axis movement. With features like blind hole drilling, customizable E-Pack data, soft start, and depth check, the YGS-43C from EDM Drillmate ensures you have the ability to achieve the hole quality you need. Contact your Drillmate dealer today for more information.